iM3 has got a level marker here, okay? We fill with water, right? This for distilled water. And then for the CLS solution.
Oh, sorry. I think it's not filled with CLS
Yeah,
now.
It is.
Oh, it is.
Okay. The CLS bottle. Okay. What the it is. I think it's diluted quite a fair bit. Right? Okay. Never mind. The way to do it, if you there's some instructions here. One bottle of CLS, assuming this is empty, yeah. One bottle of CLS should be topped up, emptied inside here, and then topped up with distilled water. Okay.
Up to the marker.
Yeah, up to the marker. So that is the optimum so-called
Dilution,
dilution.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Optimum dilution for the iM3 recommends. Okay. If you have used it like halfway, okay, don't worry. Just continue.
Yeah,
Even
empty
if you
it out
next
lah,
procedure, right? Use it until it's finished, then top it up again.
Okay.
Okay.
And you show them how to fix the thing onto the. Technique for.
Okay. A lot of times, this bottle, right? A lot of users will use their root strength to tighten. Okay, that's not necessary. What you need to do, you notice, I just do this.
Yeah.
Okay, finger tight. Okay. I explain later. Okay. And I forgot. This is the pedal. Okay.
And keep it under, especially if the machine is powered up. Try
Okay.
to put
Now,
it away. You don't want to accidentally have anyone step on it, and if there's a burr attached, it's very dangerous. Yeah.
If you notice, the main power, pressure now is 110, right? That's all right. If it kicks down to around 70, the compressor will take over and fill this
yeah.
up again, right? Now, the low pressure gauge, right? If you notice, it's now about slightly below 90, right? That's all right. Okay. So to get this guy working, turn this on. You can hear the hissing sound, right? It means air pressure is
It's
going in,
supplying,
right?
yeah.
But it's still. Hang on. Oh, yeah, negative demonstration.
Yeah, I think do demonstration first.
Okay. Although you have turned it on, it doesn't mean that the system is still not operable yet, because okay, this is not actually operating. Okay. It has to be, the bottles have to be pressurized. Okay.
You can check
That's
by
by
feeling the
flipping on
pressure. Yeah.
this switch. You can hear it's hissing, right? In any case, if you hear a continuous hiss like that, right, means it's loose. All you need to do is hear where it is, tighten.
Tighten, yeah.
Okay. Likewise for this side. Okay, if it's hissing, just tighten. Okay. Okay, now let me go through. I think I better get that. Do you have a paper towel or something? Yes.
Oh yeah, because it will get a bit wet.
Oh. A mat can? Or
Oh yeah, yeah.
No,
No need mat.
No, no,
Just
a
like
rack.
that.
Is
A
that a
rack. The rack will be fine actually. We just
Yeah,
want
something
to
that-
not make a
Yeah, not
puddle.
make a puddle.
Yeah.
Okay, the low speed hand piece.
The dental procedures that you do in the clinic, usually canine,
Both.
feline. Do you do rabbits?
Yes, we can do rabbits as well, but we don't have the right
Yeah.
burrs for the molars. The incisors are not too bad.
Yeah.
We just need it.
Reason why I ask is because for rabbits you need a special set of tools for the rabbits.
Yes.
And
we've requested
interestingly
for it. Yeah.
enough, end of the year when they do the SVA this year, I think the SVA committee, they're trying to organize a dental workshop.
For rabbits.
Mm.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, because I think for the last few sessions we've always done canine.
Get Brandon Carmel.
I don't know who Dr. Kathy is trying to get actually, but she's on maternity now, so we try not to bother her.
Okay, the low speed handpiece. This is the low speed handpiece. Okay, it's used with the what they call the rock and rolls. Okay, why do they call rock and roll? It's because really this rock and roll.
Yeah.
Okay, it doesn't go circular.
Yeah.
As in
It's not an
most-
oscillating
As in most
action.
other instruments, they go circular, whereas iM3 uses this that goes rock and roll. Okay, so it doesn't apply any unnecessary force of the tool, right? Okay, so how do you set this up? Is by there's a notch there. You just stick it in, right? Okay,
Make sure it's secure. It's top.
okay, and iM3 has this
Trophy paste.
trophy paste. So, I mean, I don't need to explain this. This is actually your so-called polish lah. Okay. Okay. So to get this working, all you need to do is, you can see. Okay.
It's a little bit slow.
Now, okay. Now, just to explain what this pressure gauge is for, right? I mentioned just now, there's certain optimum speed that you need to maintain, right? There is a knob here, right? This one controls the low speed, and this one controls the high speed.
So,
Here, over here, right? Okay, to keep it optimum, it should be kept with like about 40. Okay. Likewise, for the high speed, keep it around 30 to 40. Right? Any question? Okay. Again, these are consumables. These are plastics. As you know, mechanical stuff will break eventually. Okay. So iM3 recommends after every procedure.
this should be
get this
replaced
changed.
because
Yeah,
it's
get
a
this replaced.
disposable. To be very honest, we have practices where they reuse for cost-saving measures. Actually, at the end of the day, that's not recommended. I'll leave
Yeah.
Michael to explain why.
What
Yeah.
happened is, like I explained, this all plastic. This part here, after being is in a rock and roll motion, okay, it may break off and get stuck inside. Yeah. So when that happens, this has to go back to the servicing center.
Yeah, and the most expensive component of the dental
Yeah,
unit are
are the
really the
hand-
hand
the hand
pieces.
pieces.
Because these
Yeah.
consumables, when you work out the
Consumables are-
cost
yeah.
per piece, it is really low. You potentially, as I spoke to Mrs. Tan, try and work that out backwards into the cost of the procedure to the patient. Because if it's really penny wise, pound foolish, because to send that back to iM3 to repair,
Right.
it's going to cost a lot of money. Yeah, it's going to cost more. It reduces the lifespan of the machine and the parts.
Right.
Yeah.
Any of you want to try?
Yeah, I
putting
think you
this
should
on?
have hands-on to
it.
try fixing the rock and roll. Yeah, don't.
Not yet.